Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can clear cookies and site data in the Zen browser in 2026 on your device. So let us dive into this. So guys, it works almost the same way as on most other web browsers. However, there is a slight difference in the interface, but the process remains the same. So let me navigate to Zen browser on my computer, on my desktop computer, and show you the process. Let me just navigate to the new tab here on the left hand side, and what you want to do is navigate to, you don't need to do this in the browser settings, you can access the browser history via these three dots in the top left of that left sidebar. Hover your mouse over history, click into it if needed, select clear recent history. That is going to redirect you to this window. Now here guys, what you want to do is make sure that cookies and site data is checked, or the checkbox here to the left. You can uncheck the other elements if you like, depending on your preferences and which element of your browsing data you would like to keep. And last but not least, select your time range, and you can go with last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours, everything, and since 12 a.m. So as you can see, it's a little bit different than on most other web browsers where you have time ranges like last 24 hours, last week, last month. You can go with last hours and since 12 a.m. I don't know why 12 a.m., but that's how it is. Or if you'd like to remove the entire cookies and site data, choose everything. Confirm by clicking into clear here, or press enter. So that's another difference to other web browsers. Or click into cancel, or press escape to cancel that step or action. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.